Line ko.
Nine things in front of you. You can touch. There is also some in the box. There is also here. Okay. You can touch one only and guess what it is. Okay. Go. Oops. Stop first. Stop first. We're here. We're here. We are go. Stop. That's why you need to read. What are you doing? Chili, that's big.
Three lang, ma'am. Three na lang. Or...
Take it easy. Take it easy, kids. It's an elephant.
Who's this? Next. Wait there. Okay, wait.
Yan na. Wait here. Choose one now.
Choose one. There are many here. This. There are many. Inside here.
Okay.
That's it. Ano na yung dalawa? Okay. You can choose one only. Choose one. Okay. What's that? You touched that already. What's that?
Stop.
Huh?
Rice. No.
Okay. You can touch anything. Okay? What's that?
I don't know.
Smart press.
What did you choose? I choose.
Okay, Bella. Dadaot ng smart nila.
I choose rice.
Ano yung pahawag natin kay Bella? Ito. Ito, Bella, what is this?
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay,
I choose rice.
Okay, this is the smartest. Alam niya yan. Huwag naman hirap yan. What's that? Huh? Turtle.
Wow, so smart.
Ang sarap mo.
Iyan mo.
Wow! Nasagot niya?
Good job. Smell this one, Kuya. Don't touch. Smell this. What's the smell? Smell and then tell us what is that. Soap? No.
Again.
Try.
You said ew and then soap?
Do not touch na. Only smell. Like that.
Is you familiar sa ano?
Bakit hindi nag-YouTube?
Again.
Yeah.
Is it
What's that?
Perfume.
Paano yung dalawa?
Something, ano.
Mali. Sige.
So, something, ano naman.
Okay, lapit. Next, snow.
Snow. Ay, ito na yun. Ayan yun.
Ayan lang kanila. Okay, smell this one.
Not touch, okay? Smell only.
Smell.
Nine.
Wait, that's good. Akad ni. Paborito, ginako ni nga camper.
Oh, do not touch, okay? Do not touch.
Nakikita niya, uy. Nakikita niya, eh. Nag-search ko na siya, eh. Search ko lagi. What's that?
What's that?
That's not true.
Do not touch.
O, doon nakikita niya ko siya.
What's that? What's
Niya,
that?
kilala ko. Hindi, o, ano, nakilala niya, o. How about this one?
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Naimita siya. Oh, again. One more. No, you smell.
A bit sour.
Okay, okay.
A bit sour.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bila tayo. Okay, white horse Aisha.
No identity.
Okay, do not look, do not look, do not look.
Don't look hand.
Do not look.
Ito ang ano, ito kasi ang left. Ito ang right. Ito ang right. Left, right.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, Aisha, you are going to choose only one. Okay, one.
Aisha, no,
open. Okay, this one. You have your
You cannot say.
This is left. This is for your left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2.
Which one you like?
Like this now.
You open yours.
Hindi.
Only one, only one, only one.
Get
Only
one.
one.
Only one. Get one.
Okay, now tell me then
What is that?
what's the taste of that? Is it sweet, sour, salty? Sweet.
Sweet. Dapat kasi hindi ka. This will be your right side and then left side here for food.
Okay, which
Okay.
one? Left.
Choose right or left. This side, okay. This side, okay. This side. There will be another food here. To taste. Which one? Only one.
And then you taste it. And then tell me the taste. Is it sweet, sour, salty? Salty.
Okay, only taste. You have to spit it out. Spit it out now.
Sorry.
Okay, salty. Okay. Now, you choose left or right. The food be in your left side, and the other one right side.
Left or right?
No, don't touch your eyes. Don't touch your eyes. Only tell left or right.
Left or right?
Ano okay. Kunin mo. Alam, chocolate.
Okay, only one. Okay. Okay.
Wow,
What's the
naka-open
taste?
Ay, magaling.
Uy, klaro.
Magaling.
So what's the taste?
What's the taste? Sweet, sour, salty.
Sour, okay. Sour?
Sweet, sour, salty. What? Again?
Sour
Sweet,
or sweet?
sour, salty. Oh, what?
Again.
Another one. Tama na.